Was there a moment when you knew how you wanted to spend the rest of your life? Was there a day?
Yes, actually. Why?
Tell me.
I was about 15 years old, and I decided I wanted to spend the day in Central Park. And I took a sketchbook with me because I was afraid someone was going to talk to me. And I sketched the buildings I could see, and then for no reason, I started inventing my own. And the day was beautiful. And I thought, I must be talented. So I kept it up.
What do I want? You, right here in this bed. Forever. And children.
Children?
One child, at least. One precious little girl. Someone I can drink with.
I don't like children much.
No one nice ever says that.
I just never know what to say around them. They scare me.
Is it because they always tell the truth? People say children always tell the truth.
No, they don't always tell the truth. I just think they're terribly candid. Whenever I'm around one, I'm always afraid it's gonna point at me and say something humiliating. But if you want to have a kid, we can have one. You were talking in the abstract, weren't you?
What's this?
Oh, nothing.
It's not nothing. What is it?
A journal.
A diary.
A journal.
What's the difference?
I'm a boy.
Let me see.
No. No. Hi, I thought you were coming back later. Jenny's here. We ran into each other. We saw a movie. The rain, she stayed. You said you were coming back tonight.
I wanted to drop my stuff off.
I'll see if my clothes are dry.
Jenny,
I don't want to talk. Listen, I can't talk now. But we just leave me alone. Look, I can't see you.
please.
I didn't bring anything back, okay?
What?
I didn't do the job.
Oh.
I can't do the job.
Well, of course you can.
No, stop saying that. I can't. I've let everyone down. I've hurt everyone. I'm sorry.
Dry as a... I can make some breakfast.
Look, why don't you stay for breakfast or something?
I can't.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Go someplace. The park, someplace. Look, I'll be fine, okay?
Oh, Jesus.
Did you tell him?
It didn't come up. Oh man, what I've done.
You've done nothing.
What I've done to him.